To install a brand new printer ribbon, remove the printer cover with a flathead screwdriver. Next, remove the printer ribbon by unclipping it. Grab the new printer ribbon. The printer paper should be fed through the back side of the printer ribbon. This will ensure the paper properly gets printed on. Install the printer ribbon by pushing firmly until you hear it click into place. Now on the main menu, hit 5 for print, hit 1 for print samples, and hit 1 to test print the most recent sample in your database. Finally, install the printer cover.
Thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a top quality moisture solid analyzer, balance, or scale, be sure to check out our vast selection on our website, lissci.com. We've got new and reconditioned options available to suit your needs. And if you've got any instruments that need servicing or regular scheduled preventative maintenance, reach out to us at info@lissci.com or fill out our service request form on the website. We look forward to helping you get the most out of your equipment. Have a great day.